34th Rose. Simon de Montfort, Alan de Lanvalle, and Othere. It's almost impossible to do real credit to the victories that Count Simon de Montfort won against the Albigensians under the patronage of Our Lady of the Rosary. These victories are so famous that the world has never seen anything to match them. One day, he defeated 10,000 heretics with a force of 500 men, and on another occasion, he overcame 3,000 with only 30 men. Finally, with 800 horsemen and 1,000 infantrymen, he completely put to rout the army of the King of Aragon, which was 100,000 strong, and this with the loss on his side of only 1 horseman and 8 soldiers. Our Lady also protected Alan de Lanvalle, a Breton knight, from great perils. He too was fighting for the faith against the Albigensians. One day he found himself surrounded by enemies on all sides. Our Lady let fall 150 rocks upon his enemies, and he was delivered from their hands. Another day, when his ship foundered and was about to sink, the Blessed Mother caused 150 small hills to appear miraculously above the water, and by means of them they reached Brittany in safety. He built a monastery at Dinan for the religious of St. Dominic, in thanksgiving to Our Lady for all the miracles that she had worked on his behalf in answer to his daily rosary. Having become a religious himself, he died a holy death at Orleans. Othere was also a Breton soldier from Vaucouleurs, and he often put whole companies of heretics and robbers to flight unaided, wearing his rosary on his arm or carrying it on the hilt of his sword. Once he had beaten them, his enemies admitted that they had seen his sword gleam, and that another time they had noticed a shield on his arm which had pictures of our Lord and Our Lady and the saints upon it. This shield made him invincible and gave him the strength to attack well. Another time he defeated 20,000 heretics with only 10 companies and without losing a single man. This so impressed the general of the heretics' army that he came to see Othere afterwards, abjured his heresy, and declared publicly that he had seen him surrounded by flaming swords during the battle.